Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment on the video. It helps it out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, on to today's dish. We have Aunt Flo's meatloaf. It's real easy to make. You start off with 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 onion that we chopped up, a cup of ketchup, and then we want to add a cup of Italian breadcrumbs. Then we want to add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. And then we want to add 2 eggs. And then you want to lock your mixer into place. You can do this by hand if you don't have a mixer, but work smarter, not harder. And then on a low speed, just give this a couple of minutes to mix up. Oh, and also preheat the oven to 350 degrees. All right, let's make the sauce. For this, we'll need 1.5 cups of ketchup. And then 1/4 cup of water. Then I'm going to give this just a little bit of a whisk. And then 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. And then 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And finally, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Then you want to whisk everything together. And over a medium heat, you want to cook this, stirring occasionally, for about 10 minutes. Okay, now that we've got our sauce made, our oven preheated to 350, it's now time to add the meatloaf mix to our meatloaf pan. Any loaf pan will do, but I do recommend getting a meatloaf pan. They cost about 15 bucks on Amazon. It just makes life a lot easier. All right, let's pop it in the oven. And just before you put the meatloaf in, you want to brush some of our sauce that we made over it. And then you want to keep brushing it about every 20 minutes. The meatloaf will take about an hour to an hour and a half to get done, so you'll have to do this about 5-6 times. And basically just want to go to make sure that the meatloaf is 165 in the center, and then let it rest for about 10 minutes. And the meatloaf is rest and done and wonderful. So that's Aunt Flo's meatloaf. Done.